Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. So we're talking about output splines on your DCT470, SST, Mitsubishi Evo 10, MR, and Ralliart. In a previous video, we were showing you our spline tubes that we make, but we also make the mating T-case coupler. So if you have worn splines on your trans where it mates to the T-case and you stripped them, or they're just worn in general, like this one is, what'll happen is it also wears the coupler in the T-case. So unfortunately, if you have a spline problem with your SST and you take a look at your T-case, if you have a worn coupler, fortunately, we actually build our own couplers as well, so you can have a matching set. The coupler has splines that are quite a bit stronger than stock. We did quite a bit of engineering on these to try to increase the life expectancy of these because of the environment that they're in. They're exposed to the elements, so you'll get a lot of corrosion in there. And we've done quite a bit, so this exposed metal won't corrode as easily as the factory stuff does, and it's a little bit stronger as well, so it won't sawtooth and start to eat away at itself like the factory system did. So the T-case coupler comes as you see it. If you need the splines done on your trans, it is very wise to do the coupler as well. You should do both at the same time, because if one is worn and the other one is new, the worn sawtooth area on the worn part is going to eat away at your new splines on your new part. So we always recommend that people replace these together to allow for even wear of the assembly and to get long life out of it. We've designed this stuff where we hope it lasts the life of the vehicle. So, but yeah, anyway, T-case coupler, available at Jack's Transmissions. We make all this stuff, and we've put a lot of thought into this to really open up this platform for more options. So you don't have to find a new T-case anymore where there's like a 50-50 shot that you're gonna find one with good splines. You can keep your existing good T-case, swap this coupler out. We sell the seals for it as well. And then you have a good T-case that's good to go, that you know has perfect splines to match your nice splines on your transmission, and you have a nice long-lasting setup. Thank you for watching.